Hey everybody, it's Maura Allard of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and it's Friday, so it's Earthly Wisdom. And today, just like we did with the cups a few weeks ago, we tried to guess. I'm going to use some products that I want to know which ones strengthen or weaken me, and I haven't tested these yet. I just want to learn to use my intuition more and my own sensitivity for energy versus always relying on a tool. And this is great for all of us to start to really get in touch with what our intuition and our body feels. Like our body will tell us, our head will take us out, is always what I say. So, can I feel energetically in my body which product strengthens me or weakens me? And then I will test them afterwards with my pendulum. But this is an exercise that you can try as well. Like, can you tune into my energy? So, as I'm talking, can you start to tune into my energy? And can you guess which products will weaken me or strengthen me? And I'm going to do this. And then in your own life, start playing with this because we have the ability to do this. We do not need tools. We all innately know, but there's so much noise in our head, it's really hard. So let's start and we'll just play. So I have two products here that I grabbed. This is my perfume. Can't even remember who it's by, but I love it and I wear it all the time. I'll have to remember before the bottle runs out. And then this is a sandalwood essential oil, which I also wear a lot as well on some days. So my head says to me that this would be the better product to strengthen me energetically. I don't know why that is because perhaps I'm like, it's pure essential oil and I don't exactly know what is pure in this bottle. That's basically where I'm standing at this is I don't know what's in this bottle. I just know I love how it smells. I love how this smells as well, but I'm thinking it's sandalwood and it's pure. It's supposed to be pure sandalwood. So why wouldn't it strengthen me energetically? So my head says this, but I haven't tuned into these products yet, nor have I tested them. So I am going to tune into them with my body and see what my body feels, and then I will test them. So you could do the same as well. So I'm going to tune into these for a minute. Okay, this is what I'm getting is going to strengthen me, which surprises me a little. But that being said, what am I feeling? I'm looking for just the slightest difference in my body. So I'm really, this is a skill that if we work out over time, going back into our bodies, breathing into our stomach, breathing in, expanding our stomach, getting back, getting grounded, and then you can maybe feel your body a little bit more. And all I feel is just a little more energy rising when I look into each one or tune into each one. This pulls stronger. So let's see. I'm gonna go test now. Again, remember, I'm just somebody playing with this. I'm a student. So let me get my energy first. So I have my ICA pendulum. I've got my personal energy or my personal wavelength, which is strong today. Now, if I put my hand on the sandalwood, wow, so the sandalwood is neutral. It doesn't strengthen me or weaken me, so I'm fine to wear it, but it's not actually strengthening me. Now let me test the perfume. And the perfume actually energetically strengthens me. Well, that's great news because I love this perfume. And I now still need to remember who makes it. Okay, moving on. Okay, sorry, I don't have any female deodorant. I have my husband's deodorant and my all natural deodorant. So we've got like your antiperspirant, Gillette, off the shelf in the supermarket, and an essential oil, supposedly all natural or all natural deodorant, which I use. Don't use this, but which one energetically strengthens me? Okay, in my head, this one. It's essential oils. It's supposed to be good. This one, I'm assuming, has chemicals. Okay, even if it has chemicals, it could strengthen me. So again, I'm going to tune into them for a minute. Okay, I'm getting the strengthens me. So let's see. So if I put my hand on the deodorant, the antiperspirant, so this weakens me. Strengthens me. Okay, got that one right? And that in my head, logically, that made sense as well. But again, it doesn't always. It isn't always going to make sense. Okay, now we're up to toothpaste. Got some Crest 3D white, and I've got some non-fluoride toothpaste. Let's see what okay, I'm getting that the non-fluoride strengthens me. And the non-fluoride one does strengthen me. And the fluoride toothpaste is neutral. So it's not going to be any problem energetically. I mean, it's just not going to weaken or strengthen me. So it's just a personal, I mean, I'm going to always prefer the one that energetically strengthens me versus one that's just neutral. But I could use that and nothing, wouldn't be, nothing's really wrong. Again, I'm trying to get away from right and wrong. Just that, why wouldn't we want to use products in our life that energetically strengthen us? So, in order to start playing with your intuition and your energy, the most important thing is you need to get into your body. And that, I heard that a lot with the cup exercises. I can't get out of my head. That, you got to ground then. You've just got to ground, ground, ground. And until you get good on grounding, you can't go to the next step. So, if you're a person's like, I can't even get to this exercise, like I am so not in my body, then where you're at right now is you're learning to ground. Bare feet on the ground, if you're okay with bare feet. Walking, I always say I go for like 40-minute walk. The first 30 minutes is the thoughts, the last 10 is the clarity. So walk till you have thought everything out in your head, and then you start to get like things coming to you. Like I'll get an idea. That's what I mean, clarity. Like, oh, I've stopped the rat race, I've stopped the monkey brain, and I've got clarity. So walking, moving, being out in nature. I can say this over and over again, feet on the floor, feet in the grass, even better, touching anything in nature, touching trees, sitting in nature, sitting outside, sitting with the sun on your face. Any sort of movement or exercise, kayaking, walking, running, anything that will get you to connect to the earth is going to ground you. Some essential oils will ground you. Breathing can ground you. There's lots of practices out there for grounding. You can Google it. I'm only giving you some ideas that work for me, but everybody is different. Once you get to a place where you can actually bring your energy into your body and clear out the monkey brain, then you start to practice with these products. And I guess for me, I want to be able to decipher these without having to use tools. I want my body to be the tool. So then you're looking for just the slightest pull, like, oop, that. And so when I was looking, like one was going up, one was going down. That's what I was looking for. But it wasn't like bam, it's very subtle. And if we keep doing this with practice, your body becomes very in tune. So whenever I open up my energy, I'm very sensitive to the vibrations of things. I don't walk around like this all day, but when I want to feel a vibration, then I calm everything down. I go back into my body and I listen for the message. So have fun with these practices. Play with them. There's no right or wrong. It's just a journey. Have a great day.